In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to use FTMO. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to ftmo.com. I will also put a link to it down in the description below. From here, it should bring something like this. And here you'll be able to either log in to your already existing account. You can also create an account by clicking Get Started, or you can go down and directly start your FTMO challenge or get a free trial down here if you click on Free Trial. Now, if you want to create an account, you'll need to go up to Get Started up here. And then from here, you'll need to click Don't have a profile yet, create a profile. Once you do that, you'll be able to see this page right here, where you can see you'll get 90% off your first $100,000 FTMO challenge by signing up. From here, you'll need to enter in your email address and then later your password. You can also continue with your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple ID by clicking on one of these options down here. Once you have logged in, it should bring something like this. And here you'll have the accounts overview, where you'll get an overview of all of your already existing accounts inside of FTMO. You'll also see the Premium tab down here, where you can get and pay for the FTMO Premium profile by clicking Start Now. Down here you'll also see your profile, where you can change your profile information if you want to do that. You can add the FTMO traders down here, where you can click Accept FTMO Challenge. You'll also be able to get into FTMO Academy, where you can read and watch everything there is to know about funded trading. Down here you'll also be under Billing, where you'll see of all of your current existing billings, the leaderboard, the certificate, downloads, and social media. You'll also be down here able to see the tools, where you can see the economic calendar, symbol and updates, and ticker, and lastly the trader analysis. From here, let's create our first FTMO challenge. And to do that, you'll simply need to go up to Accounts and click New FTMO Challenge. Once you do that, a new page will pop up where you will be able to write in the information for this specific FTMO challenge. As you can see here, you'll be able to add in account balance, where you'll be able to choose USD, Euro, CZK, British Pounds, Australian dollars, Canadian dollars, or Swiss francs. You'll also down here be able to choose what type of account that you want to purchase. So you'll get the $200,000 account, $100,000 account, $50K account, $25K account, or $10K account. You can also down here add a payment currency, where you'll be able to add Euro, USD, or British Pounds. You can also change the account type from FTMO 1 out of 100 leverage to FTMO Swing, which has a 1 out of 30 leverage. Down here you'll also be able to change the platform, and you'll be able to choose MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, CTrader, or DXTrade. From here, you'll need to enter your billing information, and down here you'll see the terms and conditions that you'll need to read. You can also get help by messaging the FTMO support if you want to do that, but from here you'll simply need to click I declare that I have read and agreed with terms and conditions, and I declare that I have read and agree with the cancellation refund policy. From here you'll need to click Continue to Payment, and then from there, you'll need to add in your credit card details and then pay for your account. Once you have paid for your account, you'll see your account inside of Accounts Overview in here. And then from here, you'll be able to use those login credentials to log in to either MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, CTrader, or DXTrade. But how do you actually do that? And in this video, I'll just show you quickly how to do it with MetaTrader 5. And to do that, you'll simply need to open up the information of that specific account and then write down your login credential, your username, your password, and the server ID. Once you've done that, you'll need to download and install MetaTrader 5 for either your PC or Windows computer, and then from here it should bring something like this. Now from here you'll need to go up to File and then open an account, and then from here you'll need to open up and write in FTMO and then find your company. Once you've done that, the FTMO Global Markets Limited should be visible. From here you'll need to click Next, and then from here you'll need to click Connect with an existing trade account, and then you'll need to log in using your login credentials that FTMO has provided with you. And here you can also change the server to either of these servers down here that also FTMO has provided. From here you'll need to click Finish, and then from here you'll have successfully connected your MetaTrader 5 account with FTMO. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!